Let me tell you something, people. The people you keep around you can really hold you back from your true potential. Unconsciously devalue your worth, chosen one. Guilty by association. If you're full of light and you have a person around you that's a black hole, where do you think all your light will go, chosen one? Empath. This message is strictly for empaths and chosen ones, not the less than smart ones. Your friends, the ones you hold dearest to you, the ones you feel like, oh, they'll be there, they'll ride or die. But how many times do you have to keep dying? This goes for friendships, relationships, family ships, all that ships. How many times do you have to keep going over and over with the same cycles with these people? Stop trauma bonding with these people. They don't belong in your life, empath. They don't belong in your life, chosen one. See, Nashi's here to tell you right now, because I've been through it before, having to deal with narcissistic, parasitic, selfish, goddamn terrorists. Like, I had to deal with them also. That's why I'm able to make this video and let you know when these people need to go.